Welcome to JJ Central's DIY channel. Today we're going to see how to change an engine air filter on a Honda Accord 2005 to 2015 range, and also Honda Civic or any other Hondas within that 10-year period. Right, first step, open the hood. Second step, push it this way, release the latch. And third step, secure the hood. And fourth step, locate the air box. So here's your engine, it needs to breathe. Here's where the combustion is happening, and here's the snorkel that it's breathing through. And here is your filter inside this box. And the air, cold air, comes from here, goes in here, gets filtered, goes into the engine. So let's open this up and change the engine air filter. The process is quite simple. There's no tools needed. See this little clip here? Pull it this way, open. This clip here, pull it back, open, and then there's one clip in the back over here. Okay, right here. And now, if you notice down here, everything is hinged right in here. We're going to lift this side and move things out of this hinge and pull back a little, just like this. So lift the front and pull it back towards the front of the car after you lift, so the whole thing comes up. There you go. At that point, you just lifted the lid. You can pull it back even further, but you can just rest it here. Now you see the actual filter. Let's pull it out. See how dirty it is? You'll see dirty on the flip side. Yes, it is quite dirty. See? And it certainly does need changing. So I will grab the new one now. Right here I have a premium filter from Amazon. It is only $15 range. Generally $12 to $20 range. And quite easy to change. You just put it back in. Before we do that, however, we inspect what's inside the box, right? And you can see there are some debris left in there. So this is a good chance to vacuum all this out, clean it so your engine never gets any of this debris passed through the filter. Okay, the whole area is nice and clean. All there is left to do is put the brand new filter. It only goes one way because of the shape, and because of that, you won't be making any mistake. Just make sure the rubber seal is not loose. It's all the way around, tightly snug in there before you put it in there. Okay, all right. So let's just place it gently and make sure there's no wiggle after you put it in. That way you know the seal is good all the way around. Now gently place the lid on top of it. Make sure the hinge in here, this tab, goes into that little hole or bracket in there first, before you come here and you see these clips. One, this one. Two, and the one in the back out here. Three. That's it. You have successfully changed the cabin air filter on a Honda, and that probably saved you $50 or more if you have done this with a dealer. So keep watching. I also have another video that I have for the cabin air filter change. Another $15. It'll save you another $50, $100 if you do that as well. So make sure you watch that video. Make sure you subscribe so you can see other content from this car. So subscribe and keep notified. All right, I'll see you in the next video.